What about when you share something that's been like a very, very difficult, tumultuous experience for you, and then people just like don't get the point of it?
यार मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा that people didn't get a lot of people did get the point of it, but I also feel like hate is a louder voice than love always.
Hmm.
So I feel like अगर 80% love और 20% कुछ like hate हो या trolling हो, somehow everybody will always focus on that because that hits you harder. Like
Hate
even
is
in
yelled and love is felt.
ओ
Veer
ऐसे
Das
कोट्स
said
रट के
this.
आने चाहिए ना पॉडकास्ट पे. इतना बड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ मैं. Anyway,
Veer Das said this after his Two Indias episode. That he went underground right after that because he just had like God knows the amount of hate that he got after that, and he was called anti-national and stuff like that. And then he was like, but there were always like some people who were
yeah.
supporting him, and from when he thought he might get cancelled to then selling out these stadiums, and he was like, that's when I understood that hate is yelled but love is felt,
Hmm.
and there were always people who were standing by him, nonetheless.
Yeah, see, the thing is, I just constantly remind myself that when I put that video on, I didn't do it to be applauded. I was literally saying I did a stupid thing.
Hmm.
I did it because I was like, यार मेरी audience में से किसी के साथ ये ना हो. And I got enough DMs, enough and more DMs. I've got DMs from some public personalities, okay, actors. I cannot name them obviously.
Hmm.
They've told me that they got stuck in that and they were stuck in their vanity van for hours because they were also put in the same position. And when I read these DMs of people and they told me, like you're saying you're stupid, but my father went through this and
My
he's,
friend went through it and she described the experience as hypnosis, like she was hypnotized by whatever that was happening. So I get it.
yeah, I mean, technically मुझे नहीं पता वो hypnosis था कि नहीं, but it felt like, yeah.
Yeah. It's tough. And then you put that out, and then people are just.
But then, the thing is, people are free not to believe my experience.
Hmm.
It's absolutely fine. I didn't do it to be, like I said, I didn't do it to be a hero or be applauded. I just shared a piece of information that happened with me. Now, the legitimacy of it is not for people to question.
Hmm.
अगर मैं आपके साथ एक इंसिडेंट शेयर कर रहा हूँ, यू आर फ्री नॉट टू बिलीव मी. आई हैव पुट इट आउट देयर सो दैट इफ इवन अगर आपके दिमाग में ये बात बैठ गई और अगर आपके पास वो कॉल आता है तो आप शायद नहीं उठाओगे.
But you were successful in that, na? Bet to
I
gayi?
I got a lot of DMs from people saying that like मुझे भी नहीं पता था स्कैम के बारे में and I'm ashamed to admit this because मुझे नहीं पता था यार honestly.
Hmm.
And I got trolled so much for it कि हर जगह इसका ये फोन कॉल पे आ रहा है, आपने कैसे नहीं सुना मैंने. जब ऑटोमेटेड कॉल्स आती है
कौन
तुम्हारा
सुनता है?
दिमाग स्विच ऑफ हो जाता है. एंड आई विश मैंने सुना होता. आई वुडंट हैव गॉन थ्रू दिस, राइट? बट या यू टेलिंग मी थिंग्स दैट आई ऑलरेडी नो, लाइक
Hmm.
कि तुम्हें कैसे नहीं पता. आई एम ऑल्सो बीटिंग माई सेल्फ ओवर द
Also, you've
सेम थिंग.
already felt it, yaar.
I
Who
was
would feel
feeling
it more than you?
I was feeling guilty. I was beating myself over it so much that how can I be so stupid? How can I be so stupid? And then some psychologists made videos on it and they explained how this actually works. And I was like, yeah, so I am finally at a stage where I'm not beating myself over it. But, and I'm okay with trolling everything. वो सब चलता रहता है, वो सब daily basis पे भी चलता रहता है. But that incident was a reminder that not everybody wishes well for you on the internet.
Most
And
people don't wish well for you in life only.
thanks.
Internet kya hai?
Thanks, another thing to spiral
Not
over.
you, but people.
नहीं, but I also realized कि यार मतलब हर एक में empathy नहीं होती. And like I mean there were some things written that really like triggered me. I was like, yeah, how can people think that someone's doing this for it? अगर attention के लिए करना होता, I would have come out of that story as a hero ना.
Hmm.
Why will I curate a
हाँ,
story where
मतलब you
I am
modulate it.
यार मतलब like I can
There are
write
better ways to
I can
get
write better
attention.
than
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
yeah.
So, but anyway, I was just like, ki, I didn't put this out there for you to question if this was true or not. Take it or leave it,
Hmm.
and that's absolutely fine. Even if 3 people have been saved from this because of this, I think मुझे
More
जो
than
करना
three
था
people
मैंने
have.
कर
I
लिया.
think the awareness you wanted to create, you've created.
Listen, so many journalists. So my phone was ringing non-stop for 5 days, and I was traumatized. So I didn't pick up any unknown phone calls because I was overwhelmed with all the messages. And also एक तो मतलब इतने साल content create करने के बाद भी जब वो वीडियो में डाल रहा था मुझे genuinely नहीं समझ आया कि यार ये it can reach the amount of people it reached. क्योंकि एक तो मेरे दिमाग में था कि अरे लंबे वीडियोस तो चलते ही नहीं है इंस्टाग्राम पे, रील थोड़ी है तो मतलब आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू ब्लो अप to the level that it did. And there were news channels who were calling me on prime time, etc. And I was like, but that was not the point of this. I've already put out what I wanted to put out. I am not going to go and do all of this. मुझे जो बोलना था मैंने बोल दिया. You want to believe it, and be wary of these things. If you don't want to believe it, it's fine.
No, and if you wanted to milk it, तो फिर तो you could have milked it far more than you did. Yeah, you stayed quiet after that. तो क्या ही
Because
करोगे?
मेरे को लग रहा था कि यार मैंने बता दिया. Then I was like, just don't look at me, like don't talk to me, nothing. And I realized when I shared it, my emotions were so heightened, and I was just like, I was in a state of urgency कि बस बता दो कि ये हुआ है, ताकि किसी और के साथ ना हो.
Hmm.
It was as simple as
Good
that.
on you, though. I appreciate you for being so
It
vulnerable.
took a toll on me. I'm not gonna lie. It took a toll on me. Like I've gone through a lot of phases of trolling, but I think it did take a toll on me. And I think my therapist also told me something very interesting that really gave me some perspective. She said it's not necessary कि तुम जिस intent से कुछ चीज इंटरनेट पे डालो वो उसी intent से ली जाएगी. You know, you're a public figure. Whatever you're putting out is kind of entertainment for people. You know, not everybody is going to feel empathy for you. Not everybody is
तो
going to.
कैंडी खा के देख रहे हैं उनका क्या है?
Yeah. No. Yeah, but yeah. But ठीक है यार. I mean, internet है. What are you going to do about it? People are going to talk shit.
But you know, I've never understood the mentality of a troll. मैं बहुत सोचती हूँ कि ये जो लोग
No,
hate
I
फैलाते हैं.
understand the mentality of a troll.
But you would feel motivated to literally go on somebody's profile and say like really mean, horrific things. I don't have it in me to do that.
I think
एक तो
everybody has it in them. I feel like anonymity gives you the license to be your worst. It literally, anonymity gives you the license to say the worst kind of things
यार
that you will never say to a person
थोड़ा
on
तो
the
तुम्हें
face.
वेला भी होना पड़ेगा.
तो वेले तो बहुत लोग होते हैं यार. मैं भी वेला ही हूँ मतलब.
वेले के साथ you must have like a lot of hate. मैं नहीं सोच सकती कि मैं कभी किसी के जाके कुछ मीन लिखूंगी. मैं फेक अकाउंट से भी नहीं लिखूंगी. मुझसे नहीं होता.
मतलब मैं नहीं करूंगा, but I can believe, like I see how anonymity, that there's a pattern, right? All of these things happen on platforms where you're anonymous. All the trolling on Instagram also happens through anonymous IDs. There
हाँ,
is a clear link.
वो सब नो फोटो वाले,
There is a
जीरो
clear link.
फॉलोअर्स वाले लोग
There is a
ही
clear
हैं.
link. Anonymity allows you to say things that you may not otherwise. So I get where it comes from, and I feel like you can keep like cribbing about मुझे क्यों hate कर रहे हैं, but people are going to say what they're going to say. क्या मतलब, like you can't do anything about it.
You can't do anything about it, and but I feel like on Reddit like the most bizarre things people just say, and क्योंकि कोई check नहीं है तो कोई कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
Yeah. तो अब anonymous platform में तो आप क्या expect कर रहे हो? अब anonymous platform पे मैं जाके कुछ लिख दूं, किसको पता है उसकी legitimacy, you know?
But इतना hate लोगों के मन में होना होगा to do it ना, मुझे नहीं समझ आता.
Why do you think people are these angels?
I don't think that people are angels. I feel like they should have better things to do.
That can be said about creators also. नहीं यार ठीक है. I feel like I've just accepted that that's also kind of audience, you know, who are coming and keeping a track of what you're doing, etc. And I mean, whatever my opinion is doesn't matter because it's happening, and you just gotta live with it. It's fine.